Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump starter kit. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gear like safety glasses and gloves to shield against potential hazards. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral, with the parking brake firmly engaged. Take a moment to inspect your jump starter kit for any visible damage, and confirm it has at least a 75% charge. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and effective jump start. Now let's connect the cables. First, attach the red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead car battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery itself. This provides a good ground connection. Double-check that all connections are firm and secure. Remember, never let the red and black clamps touch each other, as this can cause a dangerous short circuit. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the engine. Turn on your jump starter kit as per its manufacturer's guide. Allow it to charge the dead battery for about 60 seconds before attempting to start the vehicle. When you try to start, crank the engine for no more than 5 seconds. If it doesn't start, wait for 2 minutes before your next attempt. This brief pause prevents overheating the starter motor and gives the battery a little more time to charge. Repeat this process up to 3 times if necessary. Congratulations, your vehicle is running. Now, carefully disconnect the cables in reverse order. First, remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Then, remove the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Store your jump starter kit properly. Let your car run for at least 15 to 20 minutes to allow the alternator to recharge the battery. If your car struggles to start again soon, it might indicate a deeper issue, and it's wise to have your battery and charging system professionally inspected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.